pandan leaves or vanilla extract to the coconut milk mixture. If you choose to use banana leaves, make sure to wash them thoroughly and remove any tough veins before using them to line the baking dish. When cutting the mung bean cake into small squares or diamond shapes, make sure to use a sharp knife to ensure clean cuts. You can serve the mung bean cake as is or with a drizzle of coconut cream or a sprinkle of sesame seeds on top for added flavor and texture. Here is some additional information and background about Vietnamese mung bean cake. Bánh đao thang is a traditional Vietnamese dessert that is often served during special occasions such as Lunar New Year, Tet. Mung beans are a common ingredient in many Vietnamese desserts and are known for their nutritional value and health benefits. In addition to being a delicious dessert, mung bean cake is also believed to have medicinal properties and is often consumed as a remedy for certain ailments. Mung bean cake can be found in many different variations throughout Vietnam, with each region having its own unique recipe and method of preparation. In some parts of Vietnam, mung bean cake is served with a sweet syrup made from ginger and sugar, while in other regions it is served with coconut cream or condensed milk. Mung bean cake is also a popular dessert in other Southeast Asian countries such as Thailand, Indonesia, and Malaysia, where it is known by different names and prepared with different variations. Making mung bean cake at home is a great way to connect with Vietnamese culture and cuisine, and to share the delicious flavors of Vietnam with friends and family. Here are some variations and adaptations of Vietnamese mung bean cake that you can try. Mung bean cake with durian. Durian is a popular fruit in Southeast Asia and is often paired with mung bean in desserts. To make this variation of mung bean cake, simply add some durian flesh to the mung bean mixture before cooking. The durian will add a sweet and creamy flavor to the dessert. Mung bean mixture before cooking. The durian will add a sweet and creamy flavor to the dessert. Mung bean cake with sticky rice. This variation of mung bean cake is made with glutinous rice and coconut milk. The sticky rice is cooked separately and then mixed with the mung bean mixture before cooking. The result is a dessert that is both chewy and creamy. The result is a dessert that is both chewy and creamy. Mung bean cake with red bean. Red bean is another common ingredient in Vietnamese desserts, and is often paired with mung bean. To make this variation of mung bean cake, simply mix cooked red beans the mung bean mixture before cooking. The red beans will add a sweet and nutty flavor to the dessert. The mung bean mixture before cooking. The red beans will add a sweet and nutty flavor to the dessert. Vegan mung bean cake. To make a vegan version of mung bean cake, simply replace the traditional dairy-based coconut milk with a plant-based alternative such as soy milk or almond milk. You can also use a vegan-friendly sweetener such as agave nectar or maple syrup. A vegan-friendly sweetener such as agave nectar or maple syrup. Chocolate mung bean cake. For a unique twist on the traditional recipe, you can add some cocoa powder or melted chocolate to the mung bean mixture before cooking. The result is a dessert that is rich,